I'm cracking up because everybody knows each other. We go 35 kilometers away, and people are saying hi to you because they know you. Not me, but you know, I mean, they know Antonio, and they know Pino, and it's just that familiarity. You're going, oh yeah. I said, have you known him? Oh yeah, I've known him all my life. You know, I said, but he's over here. He goes, oh, you know, he's we all know each other. So I think that's the small community that keeps people in touch with each other.
Now it's ready.
It's
Gnocchi
already
are
ready,
ready.
and it
Because,
hasn't even been.
because gnocchi float.
It's floating.
Oh, when it floats, it's ready.
Exactly.
I thought it was.